Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials quickly. Know the gear pattern and verify neutral. Once settled, sit correctly and locate the clutch engagement point so you can modulate it smoothly. First actionable step: depress clutch fully, select first, and release the handbrake while giving 10–15% throttle. As you move, ease the clutch over 2–3 seconds while watching RPM. This prevents stalling and sets a baseline for consistent, confident shifts. Once underway, focus on the sequence and why each choice matters. Rev match to align engine speed when upshifting or downshifting, which reduces drivetrain shock and improves control. Make shifts in the engine's efficient RPM band and watch speed rather than guessing. During each shift, depress clutch, move to the target gear decisively, and release the clutch over about 1/2 to 1 second to blend power. This rhythm keeps momentum and prevents jerks, so you maintain stability and fuel-efficient operation. To finish, bring speed down, downshift through gears while matching revs to keep control, then select first or reverse and apply the handbrake before shutting off. Make sure to hold the clutch fully in when stopping to avoid stalling. If you hear grinding, stop clutch motion, re-engage smoothly and try the shift again at a slightly higher RPM. Why this works is it synchronizes speeds. If clutch slip or inconsistent engagement persists, check cable or hydraulics and fluid levels promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.